What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about luck? It's about following the right money rules. Whether you're 20 or 50, these 7 financial commandments can set you on the path to riches. Let's break them down. Before you pay bills, before you spend, pay yourself. Automate 10 to 20% of your income into savings or investments. Rich people don't save what's left, they spend what's left after saving. Start investing early. Even $100 a month can turn into millions over time. The richest people in the world didn't get wealthy from salaries. They got rich because their money worked for them. Rich people stay rich by acting broke. Fake rich buy liabilities, fancy cars, designer clothes. Real rich buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. Control spending, build wealth. Debt is either a wealth-building tool or a trap. Good debt equals low-interest loans for assets like real estate. Bad debt, on the other hand, equals high-interest credit cards for liabilities. Cut bad debt now. The wealthy never rely on one income source. Start a side hustle, invest in dividends, rent out property, diversify your cash flow. One paycheck won't make you rich. The best investment? You. Learn high-income skills, improve your health, and build a powerful network. Knowledge compounds just like money. Wealth isn't built overnight. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Stay consistent, stay patient, and let time work in your favor. The richest people play the long game. Follow these 7 money rules and I guarantee your future self will thank you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's build wealth together. Visual call to action, watch next. How to turn $100 into $10,000. Super, watch next. How to turn $100 into $10,000 on screen text.